is the front shovel of Ligong and backhoe loader with a multifunctional 6 and a 1 shovel fighting in front, which can achieve the integrated operation of push, shovel scraping, and forklift. Turning, high flexibility. The rear is a large tire of 60 centimeters. The weight of the entire vehicle is concentrated in the rear. The shock absorption effect is very good. The field operations are as flat as the ground. The rear is equipped with a 75 type excavator. The depth is 5.5 meters. The depth of the excavation is for meters. The focus is on the large arm belt Telesa, and the operation depth is more free. Such a multifunctional loader. Let's take a look at it.